Got a new toy. It's a Grizzly. The price was right because there was no price. That's why the price was right. Look at the fence that comes with that thing. I can rep 48 inches with that. It's an old Grizzly. I'm going to put it right next to my new one, and then I'll have two saws. This is, what is it? I think it's right-hand tilting, and that's a left-hand tilt. I'll set you up, and we'll do the first time I ever fire it up, and we'll do a little bit of a cut. Let me turn this down. There we go. Well, let's see if it runs. Yeah, I better get a fruit plate built for that. That could have been bad. It has a busted throat plate. I gotta build one. But it runs. That's the important part. And it seems like it run okay. So I'll bring you back when I do a bit of work on this. Seems powerful enough, it just has a lot of vibration to it. Whoops. Have to try and figure out why and fix it. But it seems powerful enough. Alright, I'll work a bit more on it before I bring you back. Well, both saws are in their place now. So that's gonna go, and that. I'm seeing a theme here. See if you can't spot it. Where is it? I always said that I didn't have any preference on tools, but it seems that I've been collecting a certain brand, even though I said I would never do that. Coincidentally, the planer I'm looking at, the 15-inch planer, that's a Grizzly. And also I'm looking at an 8-inch joiner, and again I was looking at a Grizzly. Whoops. Guess it's going to be pretty much one brand after all. Oh, no, this is a Cobalt. Alright, I'll leave it at this. That should be good. This week I didn't get any stickers, so I guess there won't be a sticker video. So this will be it. Alright. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.